Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel TechUp. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to update profile picture in Telegram. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Telegram app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on your screen, you're going to see options like contacts, chats, and settings at the bottom of your screen. Tap on settings. There you'll find edit option from the top right corner, or you'll simply find change profile photo as your first option right below your name and your phone number. Select one of those. Then you'll see a small menu appearing from the bottom of your screen. Go ahead and select open gallery. Then select the photo that you want to add as a profile picture. Adjust it. You can see you can also edit it by the tools given on your bottom of your screen. Just go ahead, edit it, adjust it, then tap on the tick sign from the bottom right corner of your screen. Then you'll successfully update profile picture in Telegram. And guys, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.